Hello, my gorgeous queens. How are you all doing? Welcome back again to BG's Airwaves TV, your number one channel of choice when it comes to black women hairstyles. Today's video is all about natural hairstyles ideas for mature black women. Whether you are 50, 60, 70, or 80, and you want something stunning, youthful, and elegant, you are in the right place. BG's Airwaves TV got you covered. Sit back and enjoy the video because you will definitely like all the transformations I'm about to bring to you. In this video, you will get to see different natural styles for my queens that will make you look 10 years younger than your age. We have the tapered afro cut. The tapered afro cut has height and softness while framing the face on a youthful and sophisticated way. Also, in this very video, we have the pixie cut. Yes, it's a popular pixie cut. Pixie cut is classy. It highlights the cheekbones and eyes and offers comfort and simplicity for everyday wear. For those of you who prefer a little length, a short coily bob on natural hair is a graceful and versatile choice. We also have refined coils hairstyle transformations in this video. It works for both casual and formal occasions. Also, we also have the twist out, which is perfect for mature women who love texture and volume without styling anything. Healthy hair care is the foundation of every beautiful natural hairstyle. Regular trims, deep conditioning, and nightly protection help maintain thickness and shine. Lightweight oils and leave-in conditioners keep coils soft and manageable without weighing them down. Maturity is not about limitation, it is about elevated beauty. Natural hairstyles for mature black women prove that style evolves, confidence deepens, and beauty becomes even more captivating in them. Whether you choose a tapered afro, a soft coily bob, or a bold pixie cut, your natural hair is your crown. Wear it proudly, beautifully, and with confidence. Thank you so much for watching, and all props and credit in this video goes to our creative hairstylist with magic fingers who avail us this opportunity to showcase these styles to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. Enjoy it, and I will see you in my next video.